Welcome everyone to our S'mores Code game night and happy National S'mores Day. I am Sarah Robinson, the Senior Marketing Manager for Peaks to Piedmont, and I'm here with my host tonight, Rachel, who is our marketing intern this summer, who has organized this great game for us, and we hope you enjoy playing it with us. Tonight we have some of our media girls with us who are going to compete against each other to see if they can figure out the special S'mores code that we have for them. So I'm going to go ahead and let them introduce themselves. And girls, if you will just say your name, what Girl Scout level you are in, and what your favorite way to eat a s'more or make a s'more is. So we will start with you, Emery.
Hi, my name is Emery. I'm a first-year cadet, and I like eating s'mores golden brown-ish.
Sounds great. All right, Kayla.
Hi, my name is Kayla McLaughlin. I am a second-year cadet. And my favorite way to eat s'mores is I like my marshmallows very, very burnt.
That's my favorite too. I love a burnt marshmallow. All right, Peyton.
Hi, my name is Peyton. I'm a second-year junior, and I like my s'mores a golden brown marshmallows smushed between two things a lot.
I've heard people say that before. Sounds good. All right, and Janiyah.
My name's Janiyah. I am a cadet, and I really don't eat s'mores. I just eat each part of the s'more. So.
That's valid.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to let Rachel kick us off for the game. She's going to go over the rules and what you guys can expect, and good luck on your competition.
I'm just going to go over the rules. There are 30-second rounds. So each image you see is going to be a letter or number that codes for a letter in the English language. That's going to be a 30-second round for you to figure out what that code is. Make sure you're writing those down as you find the letters, because we will be spelling out a phrase. The marshmallows, for reference to the S'mores code, or the Morse code, I hate that for myself. The marshmallows are dots and the chocolate bars are dashes, so you don't get confused and have that in mind. Our top 3 winners will be able to get a free prize at our Girl Scout stores. So make sure you have like a screenshot or some other evidence that you were in the top 3.
Just so our people playing along with us know that this is pre-recorded, so you can go ahead and play with us tonight, but your name won't be showing up on the screen.
Nice job.
And just also remember to make sure you write down the letters each time you get the answer.
Did y'all get that letter? It was H, if you did not. Okay. Y'all all got that letter, so no problems, but for anybody who did not, it was the letter A. That was the letter P. Nice job, y'all.
Quick. Get faster.
I love this. Y'all are better than me. last second. I loved that. Okay, Janai, moving up. That was the letter Y. For anybody who did not get it. And we're moving up. Peyton's still in the lead.
That was quick.
What?
Good job.
That was the quickest round I've ever seen. Nice. Letter R. For anybody who did not get that. Peyton is still in the lead. 9 correct answers in a row. Good job. Y'all are way too good at this. Remember, you were moving up, girl. That is the letter S. Janaya taking second place. Kayla, you're moving up. You're getting close. You're doing good. Nice job, y'all. Peyton, you're absolutely killing this, girl.
Got it in less than 10 seconds.
Can't believe this. I honestly thought I was making this hard. Good job, ladies. That was the letter F, for anybody who did not get it. Peyton, you are still in the lead. Answer streak of 15.
It was close. I don't know.
Janaya, answer streak of 17. That has to be a record. Kayla, girl, you are moving up. This is a tight race, y'all. And down to the second. That was the letter P, in case anybody missed it. Almost there, y'all. Good job, y'all. That was the number 2, in case anybody did not get that. Last question.
Last clue, guys.
Seconds. I watched the clock. We beat it. That was really impressive. All right, y'all. Yeah.
Yay, good job, everybody.
Nice job, y'all.
Can someone tell us what the secret Morse code was tonight? Go ahead, Peyton.
It was Happy S'mores Day from PTP.
Yes, ma'am, it was. That was so fun, girl.
Thanks, everybody.
First place winner, 21 for 21. Thank you guys for playing with us. Thank you for doing this, braving the storm, all that stuff. Very amazing of you. I hope y'all had fun. Please remember our top 3 ladies. If you want to go grab a prize from the Girl Scout store, just show some evidence that you played this, that you won, and you can grab a prize.
And happy National S'mores Day to you girls and to all of our membership.